When it comes to conducting accurate and efficient land surveys in the Mehrauli area of Delhi, GPS surveyors are the professionals to rely on. GPS, which stands for Global Positioning System, has revolutionized the field of surveying by providing precise location data using satellite technology. By employing state-of-the-art GPS equipment and techniques, surveyors in Mehrauli are able to accurately measure and map out land boundaries, topography, and other important features. The role of GPS surveyors in Mehrauli is crucial in various construction and development projects. Before any construction work can begin, it is essential to have a clear understanding of the land's boundaries and characteristics. This is where GPS surveyors come in. They use advanced GPS receivers to collect accurate coordinates of specific points on the land. These points are then used to create detailed maps and plans that serve as a foundation for engineers and architects during the design and construction phases. Furthermore, GPS surveyors in Mehrauli play a vital role in ensuring that all construction activities comply with local regulations and zoning laws. By accurately surveying the land, they can determine if there are any setbacks or restrictions that need to be considered. By working closely with architects and engineers, GPS surveyors ensure that the design of the project aligns with the land's characteristics and meets all necessary requirements. Moreover, it can help resolve any disputes or disagreements between neighboring properties by providing clear evidence of property lines. SCON Design is a prominent surveying firm in Delhi that specializes in providing high-quality GPS surveying services in Mehrauli. Whether it is for construction purposes or property transactions, GPS surveyors in Mehrauli are indispensable professionals who ensure that projects are executed efficiently and within legal boundaries. GPS surveyors in Mehrauli are professionals who specialize in using Global Positioning System (GPS) technology to accurately measure and map out various locations in the city. GPS is a satellite-based navigation system that provides real-time positioning and timing information. With the help of GPS, surveyors can determine precise coordinates, distances, and elevations of different points on the ground. Mehrauli, a historic neighborhood located in South Delhi, is known for its rich cultural heritage and ancient monuments. As the city continues to grow and develop, there is a need for accurate and reliable surveying services to ensure proper planning and construction. GPS surveyors play a crucial role in this process by providing accurate data that can be used by architects, engineers, and urban planners to design and develop projects in Mehrauli. One of the key advantages of using GPS technology for surveying is its high level of accuracy. GPS receivers can provide positioning information with an accuracy of a few centimeters, which is crucial for projects that require precise measurements. Whether it's for land development, road construction, or infrastructure projects, GPS surveyors in Mehrauli can gather data that is essential for making informed decisions and ensuring that projects are executed with